The Radford Amazonian Research Expedition is a 3-week study abroad course in its basic form. But what it really is a chance for students to do actual first-hand research in the jungle. We bring them down to the Las Piedras Biodiversity Station on the edge of the Peruvian Amazon. And they spend 3 weeks here conducting original research, designing their own projects, collecting data on whatever they're interested in. It's a fully immersive experience. They live in the jungle, they work in the jungle, they eat in the jungle, all together.
Here at the Biodiversity Station, instead of sitting in a classroom where your professor is lecturing at you and you're learning from them, it's a much more open discussion. It is us as students, we get to make decisions about our projects, about our research, about what we want to know, and then our professors are there to guide us.
Probably the most rewarding aspect for this research trip for me is that I get to do my entirely own project and get to see how I do on my own field work and dealing with all the curveballs that field research throws at you, especially in the middle of the jungle.
I think for most of these students it's going to be a life-altering experience.
It encourages you to think all the time about your field and to really view yourself as a scientist. Everything that I've learned, all the classes that I've taken, they're valuable. I know, I understand now why I need that knowledge. I understand how this is applied. If there's one thing that I hope the students can take away from this experience, it's that there's a reason for science, and that science is not a textbook thing. It's not something that's already been done. It's something that you do. It is a process. It is a working thing. That you go out there and you study these things that are unknown, and that there's so much that's unknown, and that they can be the ones to discover it. That they can actually advance that frontier. That they can take steps to find a tree or a frog or a physiological aspect or an antimicrobial property that no one else has ever seen. That those small advances in knowledge make a huge difference, that they can help protect this place, that they can help to make the world a better place, that it's a real thing.